Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Kalpataru new launch project named as Kalpataru Elara, located off Link Road, Goregaon West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. You may also have a look at the neighborhood. This road leads you to the Link Road. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch, offers, discounts, and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Now moving ahead, we'll be talking about project overview. So talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.30 acres consisting of 2 towers, ground plus 30 floors with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located off Link Road, Bangur Nagar, Goregaon West with SV Road at a distance of just 10 minutes, with In-Orbit Mall at a distance of just 1.5 kilometers, Western Express Highway at a distance of 15 minutes, Bangur Nagar Metro Station at a distance of just 2 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities which include swimming pool, badminton court, cricket turf and multi-purpose court and many more. Talking about carpet area, as I said, this project has 2 configuration, 2 and 3 BHK, with 2 BHK having carpet area ranging from 800 square feet to 900 square feet and 3 BHK ranging from 1200 square feet to 1500 square feet. Now we'll be talking about the booking process. So our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Kalpataru Elara located off Link Road, Goregaon West. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.